Good morning student, welcome to your computer class. So today we are going to discuss how we can change row height and row width. In previous class we have already discussed how to delete, how to move and how to copy some data from Excel 2013 worksheet, and today we will discuss the changing of row height in Excel 2013. So Excel automatically adjusts row height to accommodate the largest font in the row. If you change the font size of a cell to 20 point or some other of points, then Excel makes the row taller so that the entire text is visible. The row height is measured in points. 72 points is equal to 1 inch, and the default row height using the default font and the default font size is 15 points. The default row height using the default font and the default font size is 15 point. So default font size is 15 points. So how you can also set the row height manually? How we can set the row height manually? Somehow I have selected this row number 3 and I want to change the row height actually. So when you placed your mouse pointer on the of a single row, click on the row's lower border. I clicked on the row's lower border. This type of sign will appear. You can see here this type of sign will appear, this type of sign. Okay, the plus sign with 2 arrow up and down, and this type of sign will appear, and clicking on this, when you pressed on this and hold it and just drag down it, when you drag down it you will see that the row height has been changed. In the same manner, by using mouse we can also change the column width. How? Select on that column and just go to the right border of the columns heading and drag it holding the mouse left button and drag it as per your requirement, and you will see that the column width will be changed using mouse. Okay, also we can change column width and row height by manually. How? Select the row. At first select the row and rows which actually you want to change the row height. So I have selected these 3 row. You know how we can select multiple rows. I have said already that pressing CTRL button on your keyboard and select that row, and you in this manner you can select multiple rows. Okay, so I have selected these 3 row and I want to change the row height same in just single click. So I want to change this row height. So at first I have selected this, then I have to go to the home tab. I have already gone. In the cell group, click the format button. Here is the cell group, here is the option format. Click on drop down. After clicking on drop down menu, here is the option, it is row height. So when I will click on the row height button, a dialog box will appear with named row height, and you can see the default row height. Okay, I can also change this row height by press on backspace and just type the point you want that row height. I have pressed 20 because I want to give the row height 20 point. So at first, when you will click on this OK button, you will see that the row height will be changed. Okay, so in this manner, with a single click, I can change row height of so many cells, so many rows. Okay, so in this manner we can change the row height manually. In the same manner, we can change the column height, column width manually. At first, select multiple column which you want to change the width. At first, selecting on this, go to the home tab, and at home tab there is a option, there is a cells group. At cells group there is a option of format, and you can see here option of column width. When you will click on that column width, press on just put the column width you want to give. So when you will click on that, the column width will be changed in point. You can see here that column width has been changed. Column width has been changed in point. Okay, so in this manner we can change column width. And I will press on 9. Okay, 9 points. So you can see here that column width has been changed. So in this manner we can change the column width by manually. We actually use this manually format for changing the column width of so many column or so many rows. So I hope that you have understood that what I have discussed here, how we can change the column width and column height of column width and row height of a worksheet. So we can also use the auto fit row height. The auto fit row height actually used that automatically control your row height as per your data. Okay, so I have selected these rows and I will go to the home option. Then at home tab there is a option of cells group, and here is format. When you will click on the auto fit row height, it will automatically change the row height as per your data given in the cell. We can also use this auto fit with for column. Go to the home tab, and home tab there is cells group, and go to the format option. At drop down menu there is option auto fit column width. You can see here that as per your data the column width has been changed, because in D column the data is longer, that's why the column width is longer. In C column their data is shorter, that's why it is small. Okay, the column width has been changed to smaller. So in this manner we can use the auto fit row height and auto fit column width to change the row height and column width as per our data. So practice these things in your home. Today next day we will discuss the auto fill feature. Thank you.